Hey everybody, welcome to the channel Taking the Bathroom. The bathroom is the only place you can place your gadgets in peace. On this channel we do product reviews and also some tutorials. If you want to support the channel, go ahead and check out my ebook. Bang! www.managethemselfonfire.com. Also have a PayPal donation link in the description of this video. Okay, let's jump right into it, my fellow toilet flushers. Okay, so what do we have here? Over the past week or so, since AT&T canceled their iPad method for hotspots, a lot of you guys been saying, Tech, I seen your hack video, the AT&T Unlimited for hotspots, but it's not working. This is what I'm going to do. Step-by-step process how to do it, and proving to you that at what it is, the 27th 2020, it still works. It still works, guys. February the 27th 2020, it still works. Step by step. Okay, now a little house cleaning first, please, guys. If you message me when you ask me to set up an account for you, I can't set an account up for you as if I'm charging my customer, because when you set up an account, you got to put in your credit card information and everything, you know. And yeah, I know some of you guys offer to give me your credit card information so I can put it in and set up the account because you trust me, and I appreciate your trust. But why would I do that, guys? When I have a business, I'm losing money, so I'm showing you for free how you can do it. Now, some of you just, for whatever reasons, just don't want to do it. I just can't get it, and just want an IMEI number from me. Man, when I'm doing that, I'm taking away from family time. I'm taking away from managing my other businesses. It get really overwhelming, really hard. So I can't do that for free. Remember, if it's not profitable and it's eating into your time when I'm teaching y'all how to be your own boss, when you're prioritizing things, you got to have a profit at the end of the day. And I know when you ask me the question, you're only worried about your question, but there's 2-3 other people asking me the same question, waiting on the same thing. So you want an IMEI number that's working, guys? Look, I'm gonna need a SIM card number from you, and it's gonna be $30, guys. It's gonna be $30, and that price might not even stay that low, because if you get a high demand, I'm gonna have to go up on it. I'm trying to discourage you for asking for it and try to encourage you to follow these steps and do it for yourself for free. Enough talking, guys. Let's jump into it. But first, this commercial. Hey, have you ever wanted to start a business? Ever ask yourself, exactly what skills do I have so I can generate extra income? Hey guys, congratulations, you are in luck. I have put together a 45-minute plus video showing you how you can become your own cable company. That's right, how to resell. You don't have all of the overhead and all of the upfront money. The only thing you have to do is become a reseller of IPTV. This video lays out the basic principles to get started right away and how you can become a successful reseller. Don't be like the others, just trying things that don't work time and time again, putting money in a bag with a hole in it. This video really going to show you the important steps of how to get a landing page that convert. Yes, how to get a landing page that convert, and also how to put a payment method on that landing page where you can get paid even as you sleep. Go ahead, guys, look into this video. A $75 donation will get you started on becoming a reseller today. Don't sleep on your journey. Don't be the person that say, I shoulda, I woulda, I coulda. This video can help you get started today. It's your boy Taking the Bathroom. Peace. Okay, guys, so here we are on the AT&T Android method landing page. Now, if you don't have this website, guys, you know, do some research, you can find it. But if you brought my video, then you have this website. Just remember, if you brought my video, you have the website is under the Android method. Okay, so the first thing you want to do, you want to start with a clean slate. Now, we already know I have a video, if you brought my package, that shows you exactly how you can manage your clients. You set up an email, you create passwords, it's a dummy account, you keep that, you don't give that to them. So you're starting off from scratch. Get a pass. All right, they're going to ask you for your IME number. Okay, now, and the hack video, I show you guys what number to generate from. If this number, the first number you choose doesn't work, don't pay it any attention. Don't freak out. Just generate or choose another number until you get it. Then it's going to ask you for your SIM card number. The ICCID is the SIM card number, all right? That's what that is, the SIM card number. Make sure it is a new SIM card. Don't try to recycle a SIM card from a canceled plan. You're gonna run into trouble. Now, you might be able to do it, you might not, but I'm telling you, you're gonna run into trouble, and the best way to eliminate that is to start from scratch. So let's go ahead and put the SIM card number in there. All right, we got the SIM card up in there. You can give it a nickname if you want, but we're just gonna go ahead. Now, I recommend that you give it a nickname, guys. If you have multiple clients, it just helps you remember. Go to next. Now, this is going to tell us the truth. All right, you see right here, it let me know that it did not work. It did not work. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go grab another IME number, go back and repeat the steps. Go back and try it again. All right, IME number seemed to be cut off. I know it's supposed to be a 5 or something here. All right, let me go ahead and change the IME number. Still the same thing. Guess what? I'm gonna repeat the process until I get one that works. Another failure. I'm not giving up, guys. Now see how this key running to dead ends? What I would do, I just hit regenerate, and my generator give me another list of fresh numbers. All right. Now I just got some fresh numbers, and look at that, boom, create a new account. I'm good to go. I go ahead, put all my information in, and I come down here, select the plan, and there you have it. Unlimited, 30 days, $34.99, recurring. There you go, right there, unlimited. All right, and you can see down here on my desktop, 11:41 a.m. the 2nd, 2020, people. So there you have it right there. As you can see, it took me several attempts, but when you get a bad batch of numbers and you're like, all right, once you get to 5 or 6 it's not working, just regenerate some new numbers. Usually it takes me about 4 tries, guys, but it's still working. You still can get your internet, still use the method and change the APN number and everything in your hotspot, and I'm still getting great speeds. I'm still doing my thing. I'm also still working on this method right here. Now there is some flaws with this method, but I found a workaround, because even though you can use that method right there as a hotspot, when you try to watch IPTV, you can have good speeds. It buffers, but I found a workaround to that. I'm so excited. I just want to try it out at least for another week or so, guys, before I bring it to you, and just to help you guys out, because I know a lot of you guys really depend on internet. So there you have it, how to step by step. If you follow these steps, guys, you'll be okay. Also, please support the channel. If you're looking to be a reseller, go ahead and buy the video, $75 video, how to be a successful reseller. Now, basically, if you're a reseller, you already have a website, then this video probably not for you, because it mainly talks about getting a website. I show you 3 different ways how you can do a website. Mainly the cheapest way, then you can outsource it. I show you a site where you can go to outsource it to get someone else to do it, or you can do like the GoDaddy route, and I show you exactly how to do that. And also in the video I show you how you can put a payment method on there where you can make money overnight. So yeah, support the channel, check that out, guys. It also shows you some marketing on Facebook and stuff like that. So it's very, very helpful, especially if you're trying to get out the gate giving you a heads up or giving you a leg up on the competition. Hey, it's your boy taking the bathroom, guys. When you bring these questions to me, I try to help you to the best of my ability. Until next time, peace. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit that notification button so you can be up to date with all of my latest videos.